Evening. How
Teacher,
are you?
can we have free talking today?
Yeah, yeah, okay. So what you all gonna have? But no, we need to have particular topic opinion so we can share.
Hmm.
Okay, so do you still have class today in Vietnam?
Class? Yes.
Yeah.
At school?
When will be your vacation for Christmas? Do you have Christmas? Are you celebrating Christmas or no?
No, no.
Okay, okay. You're not celebrating Christmas anymore. Okay. No, you don't have. In my country, we do celebrate Christmas. It's very important for us.
Mm-hmm.
Wait me ha, I will try this one. Wait me a minute. Okay. So let us have here. Actually, we are already in our vacation. We don't have class anymore, so we don't need to go to school. We are free already for 2 weeks. We don't have class. Okay, because it's Christmas Day. Christmas is coming in my country, so that's why it's Christmas, and so we celebrated Christmas so well. Okay, soon we will be having Christmas Day. Okay. So in my opinion, the way I see it, if you want my honest opinion, okay, what is your idea and what are your thoughts about this? Okay. So when you say opinion, what do you mean by the word opinion?
Idea for opinion? But what
Yeah.
is about
What do you mean by opinion?
opinion? But what? What the topic?
Opinion is like opinion is like what you think.
Ah,
Okay, yeah, what you think. When I say example, what is your opinion about war? What is your opinion about the beautiful city of Hanoi? Oh, that's one. Okay, so that's your opinion. Okay, what are your thoughts on all this? How do you feel about that? Okay, what do you think? So these questions need talk about opinion. We're talking about opinion. Okay, so when I say opinion, it means what you think. Okay, so we have here different tasks. Okay. So what can you say on the topic on the picture?
hmm. I can see the three men. Three
Mm-hmm.
men is talking, and I think they are talking by the swimming pool, maybe.
Yeah, they're talking seriously.
Hmm?
Are they talking seriously?
Yes,
Okay, they're talking seriously. Okay. So how about you? Do you have friends?
yes, of course. I have
Mm-hmm.
friends.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So how many friends do you have?
Many
Okay. So who is your best friend?
best friend. I don't have my best friend.
Do you have best friends?
No, I just have friends, not best friend.
How about Tono? Is Tono your friend or best friend?
Just a friend.
Okay, but you don't have yet.
Yeah.
Okay. Someday you're gonna have a best friend. Okay, so here. Now, giving your opinion about the picture, what do you think is bullying for you? When we say bullying, what is bullying?
Mm.
What do you mean by bullying?
Bullying.
Yeah, what is bullying? What do you mean by bullying?
I think bullying. Um,
What do you mean by bullying? Children bullying. What do you mean by
I
children
think is
bullying?
school at violence.
Okay, bullying is what?
Is school violence.
School balance?
Yeah.
Are you sure it's school
Maybe
balance?
and the each other is like the someone is hit the people and hit and shout and maybe do something bad to them and it's called bullying.
Okay, yeah, that's bullying. Look at that. If you can see, you look at the picture, what can you say or how will you describe bullying in this picture?
I think it's very hurt
Very
and
hard. Look at the
the
picture.
girl is like um hold her hold the girl hair.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and the girl is feel very hurt.
Very hard. Oh, yes. You can see that the boy is quite bullied by the girl. The girl is trying to pull the hair of the boy. Oh,
Yeah.
have you experienced like that?
No, no.
Okay, so this is bullying. Okay, volunteers collect rubbish. Okay, look at that. In my country, it is collecting rubbish. Okay, so
Mhm.
that's volunteer. Look at what they are doing. Okay, they are picking up garbage. Okay, they are picking up garbage. So what can you say in the picture?
Mm. The people is collect the rubbish to not affect to the environment and
Mm-hmm.
not affect to air pollution to land pollution and maybe it's um the rubbish is can be in the sea and it may have the water pollution and it make the hurt is like global warming.
Okay, so of course, like this, showing garbage, that's very important. It's so nice and it's so good to pick up garbage like this because, as what you have said, that will affect your environment. Okay, so that's good. Of course, it will affect your environment. Okay, that will truly affect your environment. Okay, children uses smartphone. What is your idea about this? Children who uses smartphone, what is your idea about this one? What do you think is your idea when children uses smartphone?
um I think in my brain has two ideas is the one is good and the other one is bad. The good
Okay.
the good is children have to use smartphone to know about the world, to
Mm-hmm.
know about the internet. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and it's bad is the bad is
The bad
Children,
thing is,
the best is children mustn't use smartphones so much because it may affect to the body, and it can be it can have a something bad in the internet, in the social media, maybe.
mm, yes. So it is not good at all. Okay, somehow it's not good to, okay, to have or to use smartphone. Okay, it's not that good. Okay, but of course, as what you have said, there will also be advantages when you try to use smartphone. Of course, there's advantages of that because in that way, students can learn different idea or different things about social media. Okay, they can learn a lot through social media. They will able to understand and they will be able to learn anything, okay, through social media, and because they are using smartphone. Okay, right?
Mm-hmm.
So here, okay. Now people are giving their opinions. Are these statements true or correct? Okay. Please try to imagine if what the people are doing, are they giving opinion correctly or not correctly? Okay, wait me, how what's this? Okay, I will play this one.
1,
I think more attention should be given to studying foreign languages at school, don't you?
Sure, absolutely. I think students should be required to learn Spanish. It's easy to learn, and it will help them get better jobs.
2,
I think lawyers have the best jobs in the world. What do you think?
I'm not sure I agree. It's true that lawyers make a lot of money, but they also have to work really hard.
3,
The programs on TV these days are the worst. Even with 100 channels to choose from, everything is terrible.
You're right about that. I think it's because most TV programs are written for teenagers. There's nothing for older people to enjoy.
4,
Have you used the bus lately? It's awful.
I know. The last time I took the bus, I had to wait for an hour for it to come, and the driver was really rude.
5,
Do you ever use the internet to buy things? I've started using it lately, and I love it. How about you?
Well, I don't know. I'd rather shop at stores. Shopping on the internet is fast, but I like to try things on before I buy them.
6,
I'm telling you, this rainy weather is driving me crazy. I hate it.
I understand how you feel, but I'm actually glad it's finally been raining recently. You see, it's really good for my garden.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let me see. Okay, he thinks Spanish is hard to learn. Okay, very good. Wow, so it means he listen carefully. She likes trying. She likes trying things on before she buy. Okay, the read is good for her garden. Okay, wow, very good, Ni. So you're very good at listening. Okay, so look at this. What do you think, Ni, about technology? Okay, first, what is this? What do you think, Ni, about technology? What can you say about technology? Okay, wait a minute, ha, just a minute. What can you say about technology?
Mm. Wait me.
What comes into your mind when we say technology? What is technology for you? How will you describe
Technology.
technology? Yeah.
That technology.
Hmm. What is technology for you? How will
My,
you describe technology?
in my opinion,
Yes.
Maybe I think in my
In your own opinion, what is technology? In your own opinion, what do you mean by technology?
we need a technology to search the internet to to use many apps such as YouTube, Facebook, and I think technology is useful for us.
Hmm?
It can make the printer, the camera, the headphone maybe.
Hmm? Okay, yeah.
Mhm.
So it means through technology, we will be able to understand things. We will be able to understand technology, and through the printer, what's this? I don't know. It's buds. Okay, so we do have mobile phones, and of course we do have tablet,
Yeah,
iPad, like that. So,
yeah.
does technology really helps you a lot? Me, I am eating cake.
I think we have a technology and students are always to use smartphones all day and neglect their studies. And I think it can lead to bad
Look at me.
academic performance.
Look.
Mhm.
How about it?
Oh.
Yes. Wait. Okay, so actually technology is helpful because through technology we'll be able to make things faster. Okay, look at that. A cake. Do you eat cake?
Mhm.
Cake. Do you eat
Yeah,
cake?
I think no.
I don't like to eat.
Yeah,
Watermelon.
watermelon. I like it.
Huh?
I like.
You like watermelon?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So technology is very important. Actually, it helps a lot. But sometimes,
But
if
I
we
think
use technology in wrong way, it's not good anymore. Okay.
I think
Example. Yeah. Go me.
I think it might bad for technology, and I think we can become the overly dependent on technology.
Yes. Like the AI chat. Do you know AI chat?
Yeah,
Okay.
and I think we can gradually lose our mental
Correct.
capacity. Yeah, maybe.
Mm-hmm. Because if we keep on using AI, it's not good
Yeah,
anymore. Okay, because
it's
we
like a
cannot
robot.
properly make our sentences nice because we used to depend on AI. Okay, we can construct its AI, its GPT. Mm.
I think we have technology. We can spending an excessive amount
Mm-hmm.
of time and
Mm-hmm.
in screen time
Mm-hmm.
activity.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and I think it's technology had made our life more convenient.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Of course, technology, it helps a lot. It makes us
yeah.
convenient in everything because of technology, of course.
It help us have comfortable.
Correct. It makes us comfortable when we use technology. But of course, we will not allow ourselves to be dependent on technology. It's not good anymore. Okay?
Mhm.
What are your feelings about cyberbullying? Do you know cyberbullying?
No.
You don't know? Being bullied in the internet. Like example, your body is you, but your face is no. Okay. And they keep on telling you are not pretty. You are not pretty. Okay. You have different face. Okay, in the internet, but your body is the same. Or your face is the same, You are me, but the body is very, very fat. Okay, so that is cyberbullying. So what do you say or what can you say about cyberbullying?
Cyberbullying? What is
Yeah,
cyberbullying?
being bullied in the internet.
Um,
What is your opinion about cyberbullying? You've been bullied in the internet. Your face is me, but the body is very, very flat.
I think cyberbullying is.
Do you
Uh,
think it's good?
I think so, no. I think it's bullying. We can use digital technologies,
Mm-hmm.
and it can take place on social media, messages,
Mm-hmm.
playing, gaming
Mm-hmm.
platforms, and mobile phones. And I think we have face-to-face bullying and cyberbullying.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Mm. And it often happens alongside each other.
Okay. So actually, many are big victims of cyberbullying. There are many children who've been bullied in the internet, in the
Yeah.
cybernet. Okay. So and then it goes that okay, like this grows, ha ha ha, or like that. It's already cyberbullying, and somehow it causes depression to the children or to the kids. So it's not good anymore. Okay. What is your opinion of urban development? What is your opinion of urban development? Okay, look at this. Look at what you can say about the city. Okay. This is Hanoi. My God, it's a very big city. Okay. So what can you say about the city?
Maybe
You're living in the city, right?
yeah. But
Oh,
in
you're
a
from Ho Chi
in a
Minh. Ho
small
Chi Minh?
city.
Ho Chi Minh?
No, Jana.
Ah, Danang, sorry, yeah. Danang. Okay. Danang is a city. Is it a big city or no?
I think
It's a big city, but not too big.
I
Like
think
Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh.
we have urban development. We can have a large place to live, and it can improve our life
Mm.
maybe, and we can live convenient and comfortable to live, and it can maybe but have urban development. It has many factory, and it can and uh we use a lot of like more motorbikes,
Mhm.
cars, yeah, and we can have the its affect to environment.
Okay.
But
Wow,
but
that's
but
good. That's
but
very good.
but to me, I think it's a convenient place to live. Yeah.
Okay, wow, that's very good. Okay. So of course, if you live in this urban development, these urban places, of course, it's convenient for us to live. We can find work. We have everything is accessible, like everything, like you can find, you can go everywhere. But then, okay, so but somehow older people don't like to live in an urban area. They like to live in the places like it's developed, like it's peaceful, there's a fresh air or like that. Because urban, of course, there's so many factories, many people, many cars. So it's not that okay, safe and it is polluted already. Okay, that's
Yeah,
why.
I think we can have a large place to build the wait the skyscraper, and it can have a system ability
Mhm.
to yeah to build because it's a large place.
Yeah, of course, me. Yes, of course. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So now although it's urban development, we have a lot of things that we can do, okay? So if you don't like to be polluted, of course, do not go out always. Just stay at your house, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can use your time properly, okay? Because like do not go shopping if it's not needed. Okay, don't go out if it's not needed. Oh, just stay. Oh, that's it. Okay.
And maybe we we can use maybe we can use transportation,
Mm-hmm.
transportation instead of using motorbike and cars to have the environment and urban development is no pollution. I think it's the best place to live.
Okay, yes, that's good. Yeah, yeah, of course. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. What are your thoughts of learning online or like this? Okay, we are learning online. Okay, what are your thoughts about this? Okay, I am teacher and you are me, and we've been friends already because you knew me through online. Okay, so what are your thoughts about online?
Hmm.
What are your thoughts about online?
Wait. Maybe it can convenient to have to I think just use
Mm,
laptop or tablet or um smartphone to learning online.
mm-hmm.
Yeah, and I think I think can learning online is can convenient to study. We haven't to go to another place to study, and we just stay at home um to turn on the device, and we can study.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, we can learn.
Okay, yes, of course. Okay, so through online, you will be able to meet other people. You'll be able to meet foreigners and foreign people like me. I am Filipino and you are Vietnamese. So it's very different. So at least through learning online, you will be able to see me. You'll be able to know teacher and you can ask my culture, right?
Yeah,
Okay. So do you think learning online is a big help for you?
big help.
Yeah, big help that it
Yeah,
can
I
help.
think it's a big help because it's can convenient. Just stay at home and learn.
Okay, staying at home and learn. Okay, so it's also a big help. Okay, staying online and learning is also a big help because at least you can communicate well. Okay, I know you're very
Yeah.
good in English already. I remember way back before. Are we 1 year already?
2 years.
Ah, you've been 2 years with me?
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's been long, quite long. Okay. And maybe Tono is like 1 year. Okay. So you're not classmate anymore, right?
You what?
You're not classmates anymore with Tono.
Yeah, yeah,
You have different schools. Okay.
yeah.
But
Different
but
school.
is Tono going in your house? Still going in your house?
What?
Is Tono still going in your house?
Some rarely because we are grade 6 and we are so busy. Yeah, we have lots of homework and we have to go to extra class. Yeah, so we are busy, so can meet we can
Okay.
meet each other. Yeah.
Now, do you think let us have a discussion about environment, okay? So we still have 8 minutes. Do you think pollution is a big problem nowadays? What do you think about that?
Yeah.
What
Yeah.
is pollution? Water pollution, air pollution. Okay, do you think it's a big problem? Why?
Yeah, it's a very big problem nowadays because people have to like have to throw away the trash,
Mm,
the how can I say the plastic waste, plastic waste, so it can uh, happen is that it can happen to have pollution, and the factory we have lots of factory, and we are use the transport to make the pollution is the air pollution. And we can also throw away trash to the beach on the beach, and it can have water pollution, and it can affect to the animal in the sea.
Okay, so there are many pollution, water pollution, air pollution, like that. So we need to be aware, especially if we throw trashes or more put it in the bins or just throw it anywhere, garbage. So
Yeah,
it's not good. Okay,
it,
throwing
it
garbage
have
everywhere is not. Yes.
yeah, and it can have a greenhouse effect, and maybe it can. It's I think it's always like it can occur on the air pollution.
Okay, it can affect the air pollution. So if you're
Yeah.
gonna throw it in the water in the river, that's water pollution. What do you do to prevent our environment from pollution? So what do you think you were gonna do?
I think we have to make a group, or we can say to people that we can have a group, we can have a volunteer to collect the trash. Yeah, and we have to use the public transportation, and to reduce the pollution.
Okay, so of course we can use, we need to tell the people properly what are the things they were going to do to prevent environmental pollution. Have you ever participated in any environmental events?
What?
Have you ever participated in school that you were going to the beach, gonna do
Ah,
coastal cleanup? You will pick the garbage and put it in the trash can. Have you ever
yes, I
participated?
have. Yes, I have participated.
Yeah. In which way, to Angi, do people damage our planet? In which way people damage our planet?
Which play people? Which place?
In which way do
Which
people
place?
damage our planet?
Because the people use the car, the motorbike, and we have the greenhouse effect to wait to because to have the air pollution, and they they throw, and we have the plastic waste, and they are throwing, and I don't know. I just
Okay. In
think
which
that.
way do people damage our planet? Of course, number one, throwing plashes everywhere.
Yeah,
Oh,
plastic waste.
okay. Another one is the cars. Okay. The smoke, the air pollution, it causes air pollution if the smoke from your car is very dark already. That's another. Okay? So illegal logging or what that? Cutting of trees without asking permission. That will cause water pollution because you are gonna have flood if you don't have enough uh trees. So it's very important to have trees. Okay? So do you think that environmental situation will improve the nearest future? Of course, it depends on the people. If you keep on throwing trash, ni, of course, your environment will never be clean. Okay? You understand?
Yeah.
So you need to follow that. You need to be aware of it. Okay, you understand, ni? Okay,
Yes.
what else can you
Yes.
say about pollution? What else can you say about pollution? What else can you say about pollution?
What else can pollution?
Yes.
Mm.
What can you say about it?
Wait.
Okay, what can you say about pollution? Oh,
Mm.
you're generally what is pollution? Do you
I think
think
as I think household combustion devices, vehicles such as car, motorbikes, and industrial facilities and forest fire, because the people have to cut down the trees to
mhm,
have the
to make illegal logging?
the what
Illegal logging.
um
Yeah, so it's not good. So we need to be aware of ourselves. We need to be careful and you have to be cautious when we try to throw
yeah,
garbage
the people
everywhere, cut trees.
the people have to cut down the trees to have the wood
Uh-huh.
to make chair, to make tables,
Tables.
yeah, and all common sources of air pollution.
Yes, correct.
And
Okay. Okay, so
yeah,
that's very good. So it's very important to be aware. Okay, so Ngi, we don't have enough time. Okay, are you free tomorrow, Ngi? Can we still have one class?
tomorrow? No, I'm
Yeah,
with
Sunday.
Sunday. I think we can have class on Monday.
Ah, yeah, yeah, sir. Yeah, sorry, Monday. Monday morning, I will see you, okay?
Yeah.
Bye-bye, Ngi. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Okay.